Okay, now, so I'm just putting a pile of sticks I got from, well, it's actually called weed, but from over there.
And it's burning.
And it's burning.
Whee! Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sticks. We'll see you in
No.
We'll see you in heaven. Someday on December 21st, 2012.
No.
Just kidding! We're not really going to die on December 21st, 2012. Because the Mayans really didn't predict that the end of the world will occur in 2012. So, people, sorry, you'll still be alive till December 21st, 2012. Huh? You almost scared me. Oh! Let's go get the ball.
You can put the ball in there.
Oh, I have to ask my dad if I can pop a ball.
No, dude, no.
Ah! He threw a stick at me. There's a scratch right here. Ouch. Okay, Spencer is getting the trash top thingy and putting it into the fire. Okay. Alright, we'll put it in. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this thingy puts it into the fire. Huh? Huh? What?
Don't burn that.
Why not?
Plastic.
Okay, so like I said, it's plastic, so we can't.
Dude, you're paper thin.
You can burn it.
Paper, wood, plastic.
Okay, we're gonna put this in.
It's a giant paper airplane that I made. Okay, aiming. Wow, it's so close. Okay, keep throwing it and make it land in the fire. There you go. Okay. Let's look at the bottom. Nope. Oh, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning. It's falling to ash. Woo! It's a lighting on fire paper airplane. Oh!
And then what's this? We beat it with the stick.
Everything right there is falling into ash. Bye-bye, paper airplane.
Have a nice life.
Have a nice life in heaven. I'll see you in heaven sometime when I die. Okay. Our next experiment is going to put well, we need to come up with ideas for our experiments. Go. Well, peace out, home dog. Okay, we're putting that inside the fire pit. Oh, a nice shot. Okay. Okay.
There. That will burn.
Okay.
These in gentle box. Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna burn Tamagotchis. Okay. We're not gonna burn the actual virtual pet thing. It's gonna burn these things. That's awful dirt. Mimichi, you suck. Okay. Swimichi sucks. Is
No, dude, put it on there.
okay.
Dangle them over the stairs.
Spencer's putting this keychain on.
You want to do it? Since it was yours and now you hate them, I'll do this.
Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna put this.
Make sure your dad doesn't see.
Okay, we're gonna put this in the fire.
Hurry up, run.
Okay. Okay.
Dangle them over that fire. Fire? Tamagotchis. Bye, Tamagotchis. I love you.
Bye-bye, Tamagotchis. Bye-bye, Mimichi.
Aw, they're poor little things.
Aw, they're curling up. They're curling up.
Get him. Get him.
Oh.
Hey, what's up?
Aw, it's dying. I can't believe
And now
it.
he's in the fire.
Dying.
Burning. Bye-bye, buddy. I love you. And, yeah. Okay, so now
They're burning. Keep burning. Oh, it's burning right there.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Aww.
Poor little guy.
Those are poor little...
Now, take him out and see what he looks like. Ooh, that's bad.
Oh!
Now let's come back in.
Exploded. Oh, whoa.
Whew. That's a sad little guy.
Aww.
Wait, look out. Wait, I found some.
Aww, poor little guy.
No, not really. Now we should actually get your real Tamagotchis. Go.
Okay. Wait, I actually really want to burn it.
You don't?
No.
Why?
Okay, I'm gonna keep it buried until I see what happens.
Keep what?
Okay, I'm gonna keep it buried.
Keep it buried. Why? It's so
'Cause-
stupid. It's not the end. What's this?
Ooh, it's a basketball thingy.
Okay, let's put it in.
Now I'm gonna put a basketball thingy inside the fire.
Oh, there's the thingies. What's that?
Oh, there's a ball. I put the basketball up in there. It's about to burn. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn.
Okay, let's go get some things.
Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey, Spencer, born June 29th, 1998.
Okay, Jacob. They don't need to know that.
Me, born March 6th, 1998. So, peace out, home dog.
It's out.
Peace out.
It's out.